This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be reading some melodies together, melodies that we'll be playing in first position on the guitar. Right now in the lesson series, we're especially focusing on the lower strings of the guitar. Recently, I introduced the notes on the low 6 strings, so they're our main focus, but of course when we're playing melodies, we'll be making it onto higher strings as well, especially the 5th string and the 4th string, and occasionally we may run into notes that are on the 3rd string or even higher. But the main focus right now is on these lower strings. This video does accompany lesson 7 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we're going to be on pages 41 and 42 doing songs 11 through 14. So we're going to be starting there on page 41 doing number 11. It's going to be super fun. Each one of these that we play will happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo, so you can work it at both tempos. If the tempo that we're playing these at is a little faster than you're ready for, then just work on it slower, build it up to that tempo that you can play it right along with me and the band, so we can jam, you, me, and the band. We always want to be jamming when we're playing these songs. If you're playing through and there's spots where you're tripping, then you just want to stop, pause, work those spots, get them down, and then try playing that whole melody again. That helps lock in the reading of these notes and the accuracy that we have when we're playing, and how easy it is for us to play these notes accurately next time. Alright, it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and jam together. All right, awesome. I hope you've been having fun with this and that it's been really helpful for you. As we continue through the lesson series, we're going to be moving on to lesson 8, where eighth notes are introduced. So we're going to have some more complex rhythms using the same notes that we've learned so far. Thus far in the lesson series, we've learned all the natural notes that we play on all 6 strings in first position, so within the first 4 frets. And with natural notes, we're really staying within the first 3 frets most of the time of the guitar. There is one little exception, but we really don't use that when we're reading in first position with what we're doing. But at the 4th fret on that 3rd string, we actually have a B note. It's just that the open B string is also that same B note, and that's the one that we're using as we're reading melodies right now. So, first position, natural notes, we've got them down. If you don't feel comfortable with them, it's always okay to go back, reread melodies earlier. If you start at the beginning of the book again, you'll find that it's so much easier, and that's the neat thing about reading notes. We just get better and better at our ability to do it. But as we continue forward, we're going to be using all these same notes and start working with more complex rhythms. So eighth notes will be coming into the game right now. It's going to be great. Take care, have fun, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.